On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? What's up, Chris?
What's up?
Minitruck's got to get it first, you know. Hit up Three Brothers and then you're going to go to Harbor Freight. I might go to Harbor Freight. It's gonna be cold today with below zero wind chills. Yo, I just changed it channel so it's on. That's I just put on too. Motor Rider's got his plow in the back of his Mini. Everybody's waiting for this blizzard to come. It's supposed to be coming across. Guess some of you guys in the Midwest already got a foot of snow or more. And people have been asking about Whitey and my DRZ. They're hibernating for the winter, as you can see. The reason why, it's not so much the snow, it's the temperature. Might break him out when he gets some snow. Motorcycles are fun to play in the snow. Had some guy comment that after playing in that sugar sand, I'd be an expert in the snow. It's a little different, especially when you get ice patches. I'm wondering, and I know it's cold out, but even when it was warm out, I'm not getting any detonation at all at the boost I'm running. I'm wondering if I can advance the timing a little bit, because I did go probably 6 to 8 degrees retarded.
But you don't say that.
And I'm also wondering, since this has a push-pull dash pot on the distributor, if there's a way I can hook that up to make it retard.
But you don't say that.
As I boost. I've had people say yes, and I've had people say no. I guess I'm going to have to sit down and think about that one. Like, it's not a lot of boost, but maybe I could put the boost line so it pushes it to be retarded.
But you don't say that.
Well, I guess I'd have to put a timing light and see how much it retards
But you don't say that.
first. I think it might be doable. That'll squeak a couple more horsepower out for sure. I suppose I gotta turn my volume up to hear you on the radio, right? I forgot I turned it down so much. Padiddle. How many of you guys know that one? Or Punch Bug. How many played Punch Bug when you were younger? Am I dating myself? Yes, I am. I gotta love AM, picking up all the noise. So we're gonna hit up our favorite breakfast spot in the Milford. Three Brothers. Used to be Diner Lux. Something happened there. And I know the pandemic caused a lot of havoc on a lot of businesses. I contacted Ordro again, asked them if there's any firmware updates, because I love this camera. The only thing I don't love about this camera is the microphone. I've come to the conclusion that there's no ALC circuit, automatic level control. That's why when it's quiet you can't really hear stuff. When it's loud, it'll go so loud it clips. So in my email to Ordro, I asked if there was a firmware update, and they said no. I also asked when the newest EP8 is going to be coming out, and I believe they said in April. And I said I'd like to review one, but they didn't answer that one. So I'm going to reply. Maybe I can get one of the first, do a review on it. Screwed up. Gotta bring the R's up a bit. We'll park you right up front, Minnie. Oh yeah, I see. Wow, that's pretty heavy spring. What'd you, oh, this bent?
Yeah, ripped it right out.
Oh.
Bent this thing too.
Well, yeah, so you stopped that from swinging.
Yeah.
You gotta let it go, or else it'll bend something. Three brothers. What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
How you been, man?
I'm good.
Haven't seen you in a while.
I know.
Thanks.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good morning. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Motor Rider. You forgot to remind me to do a review this morning. How'd your sandwich?
About 8.
Yeah, mine's good. I get the chorizo wrap. It's always good. Always at least an 8. Remind me next time. I'll get her a key tag. I hope I got extra. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, here you go. That's my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice.
So there's all information on that.
All right, awesome.
If you look it up.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. And good luck with you.
Thanks. Yeah.
When the hell? I don't even remember when it snowed now. Wednesday? He'd know. When did it snow?
What day was last week it snowed? Wednesday? No.
No? Thursday was it? Tuesday? I don't know.
We're confused.
All the days
I'm
blend.
retired, I know.
You don't bother with days anymore, right? That's the attitude. That's all right. Hey, take it easy. That's the way to be. Oh, it's cold. Cold. I wasn't pumping the gas, and I'd usually just give it a little gas, and I'm like, why the heck ain't it starting? Because it's so cold, it cooled everything off, right?
Yeah, definitely. Are we taking the highway or the back way to our place?
Whatever you want. Doesn't matter to me. Motor Rider 2018. Village Liquor. Boy, he must be popular. All the salt in the parking lot. I don't like it. We're here, Minnie. Harbor Freight again. That's the one. That's the one Matt's got. That's a nice little unit. I might have to try that out and have a little one like that for Florida. I'd rather have a little gas bottle, but better than having nothing. There it is. Let me check. I got a discount thing in the mail, maybe. Put that engine I got from Jeffro on there. Clearance, 74 bucks. I do want to get one of these cutoffs for metal. I know these aren't designed for it though. I don't need anything that big because I just use my bandsaw. I wonder how good this is. What do you think? Just for cutting little stuff? Like 1 inch or smaller? 50 bucks? Kind of like using a hand grinder, maybe? We'll try it. And get a couple wheels. If any of you's got or bought one of these, let me know if they're any good. They didn't have that engine stand. Oh well, that's alright. I need more crap anyway. Can never have too much crap. So what are you heading to? Tractor Supply? I'll probably split off there.
Be around somewhere.
Alright. Busy.
People do not know how to drive.
I know, what a busy parking lot.
Yes, it is busy today.
Too much power, Minnie, too much power. Oh, look at that. Look at that touch hole. No! You like them red lights, don't you, Motor Rider? Taking the back way or the highway? Nice. Need a supercharger. I remember those days without the supercharger. Boy, it is windy today too. Had a little headwind there. Oh yeah, that wind, I can feel it pushing me around too. Yeah, I can stop and fill up. Why don't they just name it Cumberland Farms? When I first put this on, I could never remember the name. Only soup off for Mini. Tires are holding up good, man. Really good. Amazing. That's about right, I guess. We'll take the Scenic route. Goes up that mountain by Candlewood Lake. Uh-oh. What the heck happened there? Climbing the mountain. Dyke Point. No pun intended. You can definitely see how windy it is outside. Got some white caps going. Gerard's Marine. Gerard's Marina. All the docks are in. Unregistered vehicles prohibited on private streets. Oh, let me guess. Somebody with a four-wheeler wanted to drive up and down a road to get to their boat. And Karen complained. That means no golf carts either. That's silly. I think as long as you insure it, and it's insured enough to be on the road, you should be able to take it on the secondary roads. ATVs, golf carts. That's my opinion. The kings and queens don't care what Cheezy thinks. This is definitely the long way around, but you don't have to go through town at all. Comes out by the power plant, where the pipe comes down from Candlewood Lake. It's a hydro plant, if you've never noticed. Now I'm definitely going to do an undercarriage wash. Look at that big eagle and a wolf howling. I used to sneak on these power lines with the hawk. Then they closed them off. Can't do nothing. Now you recognize where we are? Guess I should have went for it. Your head has to be like a pendulum. My older brother told me that when I was learning how to drive. I never forgot it. There's a pipe that comes from Candlewood Lake, and there's a power plant. Gotta fix that pisser, Cheezo. Break down streets, Mini. Nothing but a vague memory now. Running excellent, Mini. Guess I'll be doing an unbox and review on this thing soon. It's going to be going right here. I bought these. I'll have to show you something I made years ago. A little belt sander. You might like it. It was one of my little craft jobs. If it's still here, yeah. Might have to put that on the bench too. We're running out of bench space already. Check this out, boys. Made this many years ago. From scratch. Maybe I'll put it back in operation. That's what I bought these belts for. I thought they'd be long enough, but they're not. So I took this old worn out belt off. I'm gonna have to measure it. Then I'll show you how it works. Still runs. It's the way she goes, boys. It's the way she goes.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.